Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Musawar's Global Views. Today I'll talk about Gwadar. Gwadar, a port city in Pakistan, has a rich history tied to trade and strategic importance. For many centuries, it was a small fishing village. In 1783, it came under the control of Oman when the Khan of Kalat gifted it to the Sultan of Oman. For almost 200 years, Gwadar remained an Omani territory. During this time, it served as a trading post for regional merchants. In 1958, Pakistan bought Gwadar back from Oman in 5.5 billion rupees and 3 million US dollars at that time and made it part of Balochistan. Today, Gwadar is a key part of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC), with plans to turn it into a modern port city and trade hub. Its deep sea port has made it critical to Pakistan's economic future. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Musawar's Global Views. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.